Lead list. A lead is like an opportunity that a company chases in order to win new business. This page will be empty when you get started. Click at the top here to create a new lead. Enter the title of the lead. Select the source of the lead from the drop-down menu. The source is how you acquired the lead. Enter the name of the company or organization. Enter the company email address. Enter the contact phone number. Enter the status of the lead. If it is a new lead, select either lead or opportunity. Enter the financial value of the lead. This is the amount of money the project, deal or opportunity would be worth if your company wins it. Save the form. You will now see the lead on the list. When you create a lead, you will be set as the default owner. If you click on the action column, you will see the following options. 1. Option to convert the lead. Select this option if you manage to win the opportunity. 2. Option to update the lead to lost opportunity. 3. Option to edit the lead information. 4. Option to view the lead detail. And 5. Option to delete the lead. Click on the Edit Lead option. You will be routed to the Edit Lead page, where you can enter more information about the lead. Enter the priority of the lead here. Enter the detailed description of the lead here. Describe what the lead is about. Enter the company website, company size, and company industry here. Enter the address line 1. Enter the city. Select the country location. Enter the province or state. Enter the postal or zip code. You can also enter social media links here if you have them. Enter the lead budget here. This is the allowance you have to spend on acquiring this business, otherwise known as the cost of acquisition of the client. When you are happy with all the information entered, save the form. You will be routed to the lead detailed page. This is where all the information and data about the lead is saved. You can save 1. The basic information about the lead, 2. Contacts related to the lead, 3. Expenses incurred chasing the lead, 4. Meetings you have internally and with the contacts relating to the lead, 5. Any documents related to the lead, and 6. Lead notes. Let us start with the contacts. You can either 1. Enter a contact manually or select from the list. This is the list of all contacts already saved for your business. To select from the list, press this button. Select a name from the drop-down menu, and add this contact. You can add new expenses related to the lead. For example, say you had to entertain the potential client and incurred some costs that you need to report for accounting purposes. Press this button to add new expense. Enter the title of the expense. Enter the item price. Enter the quantity. Select the type of expense from the drop-down menu. Select the vendor. Attach any supporting documents, such as receipts and invoices. Press this button to save the expense. Now let us explore CRM Meetings. When you have a meeting with a potential client, you might want to record the meeting details for future reference, and also for other team members to understand what was discussed. If you ever leave the project, the notes will always be there for reference. Press this button to add a new meeting. Enter the meeting title. Enter the meeting description here. Enter the meeting date. Enter the time the meeting is going to start. Enter the duration of the meeting. Save the meeting. You will now see your meeting on a list. Press this button to view the meeting details. There are a few use cases for meeting details. 1. You can use this page to send out meeting invites to attendees. 2. You can use this page as a place to capture minutes of meeting, action items, and 3. You can immediately email these minutes of meeting to attendees for their records. In addition, the records will always remain here for future reference. Before you can send minutes of meeting, start by adding attendees. Press this button to add a meeting attendee. You can 1. Select an attendee from the employee list, or 2. Add an attendee manually. Enter the first name of the attendee. Enter their last name. Enter their email address. Finally, save the form. Add another attendee. This time I will add myself as the meeting host. You can now send meeting invites to the attendees. Press this button to send out meeting invites. Select your time zone from the drop-down menu. Send the invite. Meeting invite was sent successfully. The meeting invite will look like this. Simply add it to your calendar and you are good to go. During the meeting, record action items as required. To record an action item, click here. Enter the title of the action. Enter the details here. Enter the responsible person. Enter the due date for the action. Add other meetings as required. These two action buttons at the bottom here allow you to 1. Review minutes of meeting in PDF. 2. Email minutes of meeting to all attendees. To view minutes, click here and a PDF document will open. You can see the meeting details, attendees, and actions. You can print or save this document as required. If you press this button, the same document will be emailed to all attendees. Let us navigate to the Documents tab. You can upload any documents here related to the lead. Let us navigate to the Notes tab. You can upload any notes here related to the lead. If you look at the buttons at the top of the page, 1. Use this button to access the Edit Lead page. 2. Use this button to access the lead list page, and 3. Use this button to view the CRM funnel. Press the lead list button to navigate back to where we started.